Good morning, my dear SSC students. Now I am introducing the new chapter, 8th chapter, that is a similar triangles. We have two types of conditions on similar triangles. There is similarity of triangles, one thing. One more is congruent figures and similar figures. See, this is the congruent figures. The two figures with same shape and same size are called congruent figures. Observe both the figures are these two figures overlap each other and one is fitted on the another completely. Now observe these are similar figures. Two geometrical figures having exactly same shape, not necessarily the same size, are called similar figures. Look like both are similar but not in the same size. Understood? See here three line segment A, B, C, D, P, Q are there, but A, B, C, D observe both are 5 centimeters and same length and same size, they are congruent. And A, B and P, Q observe both are not of same length, they are called similar figures. C, D, P, Q are also similar figures. And these three diagrams, ABC triangle and PQ triangle, both are always congruent. And ABC and XYZ are similar. One is lengthy. One. See here in these diagrams, the two pink color and yellow color figures, squares are always congruent. Why? Both are in the same size and same shape. And see the green color square and pink color square, both are. Children, observe these three photos of my passport size photograph clearly. Is these are similar or congruent? Yes, definitely they are similar. Why? They are not in the same size. Congruent means compulsory they are in the same size. So they are similar photographies. Okay. Now I am explaining the new concept, similar triangles. Okay. See, the observe what are similar triangles. The congruent figures. First of all, we have to know about the similar triangles before, congruent figures and similar figures. What is the difference between the congruent figures and similar figures? In 9th class, we learned about the congruent figures. Now we are going to learn the similar figures. Observe carefully. See, what are the congruent figures? Two or more geometrical figures have the same shape and same size are known as the congruent figures. The same shape and same size. Example, see, observe the circle, circle, circle. Three different circles are there. If two or three different circles are there, these are similar. Why these are similar? These are congruent. Why these are congruent? The circles with same radii compulsory congruent. Radii, not ready, radii. Radii means the plural of radius is called radii. And different radius unde kada one same radius, same radius, same radius. This is called the same radii. Plural is called radii. Okay. Now see, all these figures are compulsory congruent. Why? The same size and same shape. Next, observe the right angle triangle ABC, DEF and GHI. The all looks like all are right angle triangles with the same size. Shape is same, size is same. Therefore, these are also what? Congruent figures. Now next, observe one question. The two mathematics textbook of 10th class. Compulsory. These are also congruent figures. What are the similar figures? Two geometrical figures have the same shape. See, two geometrical figures have the same shape but not necessary in same size. Same size undalsina avasaram ledu, unna kuda ibbandi em ledani meaning ikkada. Okay, not necessary in same size are known as similar figures. Observe the first circle, second, third, fourth, different circles are there. They are not in the same size but same shape is there. Therefore the circles with different radii, these are similar figures. Observe these three, the square, 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 all squares with different sizes, these are also similar figures. One important question, see, the all circles, all equilateral triangles, all squares, all rectangles, etc. are compulsory similar. All congruent figures are similar in shape but all similar figures are not congruent. Why? Size same లేవు కాబట్టి కాంగ్రుయెంట్ కాదు. ఇవి మాత్రం సిమిలర్గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి సిమిలర్ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఇది ఒకటి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండమ్మా. అంటే ఇంపార్టెంట్ నోట్ ఏంటంటే ఆల్ కాంగ్రుయెంట్ ఫిగర్స్ ఆర్ సిమిలర్ బట్ ఆల్ సిమిలర్ ఫిగర్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ కాంగ్రుయెంట్. And one more important definition, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in same ratio. Okay. Now the important definition, that is basic proportionality theorem. See, observe what is the basic proportionality theorem here. The theorem, basic proportionality theorem, is also called as Thales theorem. Thales theorem. Thales means the name of the author or mathematician. Okay. The theorem statement: if a line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle to intersects the other two sides in different or distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Observe, here ABC is a triangle, DE is parallel to BC, the point D, the point E are on the two sides points. Now if D is parallel to BC, then these sides are divided in the same ratio. How? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Parallel condition తీసుకొని ఈ proportional conditions రాస్తే this is called BPT theorem or basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Now converse of BPT activity అని రాస్తున్నామా అంటే it is not in the syllabus this time. Just activity or project work కింద ఉంది, but fair notes లో రాయండి ఏం కాదు. Converse of BPT. If a line divided two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Observe. And here we are taking the parallel condition. Finally, we are writing the proportional condition. But here the ratio of the sides are proportional. Now here finally we write the parallel condition, the reverse of this one. Okay, observe, same condition. What is given? The line divided two sides of the triangle are in the same ratio, means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. If this condition is possible, then definitely the side DE is parallel to BC. Okay, now one important question: the triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Draw the triangle ABC. DE is a line parallel to BC. DB is 7.2. DB, where is DB? This is 7.2. AE is 1.8 and EC is 5.4. Now find AD value. Okay, it is clear condition that triangle DE is parallel to BC and the one side is parallel to the third side. Definitely use the BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem. What is basic proportionality theorem? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This condition use chestunnanu. Okay, see, AD by DB value 7.2, AE value 1.8 and last value is 5.4. Okay, now AD is equal to 1.8 by 5.4 into 7.2. ఈ point cancel చేయండి. 18 3s are 54, 3s are cancelled. Now here 3 2s are 6 into 1.2, point take 12, 3 4s are 12. The answer is 2.4 centimeters. One more important question, example 1 in the textbook. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, AD by DB equal to 3 by 5, AC is 5.6. Find AE value. Now observe same diagram. ABC is a triangle. DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Okay. AD by DB ratio is given 3 by 5. And the 3x 5x or 3 by 5 ratio utilize. And what is given AC? AC means now this time total length AC is given 5.6. Find AE value. This value. Let us take this value is x. First given data write down. This is given data. This is given data. This is given data. Okay. Now what is EC? EC ఎంత అవుతుంది మనకు ఏ తెలియదు కదా, ఏని x అనుకుంటున్నా. లెట్ ఏ ఈక్వల్ టు x రైట్ డౌన్ హియర్. లెట్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు x, దెన్ EC ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద టోటల్ లెంత్ మైనస్ x ఈజ్ EC వాల్యూ. వాట్ ఈస్ టోటల్ లెంత్ ఈజ్ AC అండ్ AE. Subtract AC AE. 5.6 minus x is the value of EC. Now use BPT theorem. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Here write down AD by DB, the ratio is given 3 by 5 and AE by EC, AE value is x, EC value is 5.6 minus x. Cross multiply like that. Now 3 inside multiply. This value is 16.8, 3x, this is 5x. 3x convert right side. 5x plus 3x is 8x. Now x equal to 16.8 by 16.8 by 8 by cancellation. 8 2s are 16, 8 1s are 8. The answer is 2.1 centimeters is the value of x. It is 2.1. The remaining value we don't want, it is not asked. Do this question. I am explaining first question. Your work is second question. Do the second question. Okay. What value of x will make D parallel to AB? See, for do this first question, what value of x will make DE parallel to AB? In the figure, AD is given, see like that, AD is given and B is given 3x plus 4, AD is given 8x plus 9, CD is given x plus 3, C is given x, this value is x. What we have to find? X value. Okay, already the parallel condition is mentioned, write down the parallel condition, given data write down. By basic proportionality theorem, CD by DA, observe, CD by DA is equal to CE by EB. Okay, now all values substitute here. So by substituting all values, First value x plus 3, 8x plus 9, x by 3x plus 4. All values substitute చేశాను. Cross multiplication రా. 3x plus 4 into x plus 3 equal to 8x plus 9 into x. Okay. Now multiplication 1 by 1. X into 3x is 3x square. X into 4 is 4x. 3 into 3x is 9x. 3 into 4 is 12. Here x into 8x is 8x square. 9 into x is 9x. Okay. Here 8x square is there. Here 3x square is there. Okay. Next 4 plus 9 is what? 13x. Remaining as it is write down. Here big value is there. This 3x square enter all these terms convert right side. Okay. 8x square plus 9x. 3x square convert minus 3x square. This is minus 13x. This is minus 12 equal to 0. Now by solving 8x square minus 3x square is 5x square. 9x minus 13x is minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Now the factorization. ఒక polynomial equation వచ్చింది కదా. We have to find the factorization. Okay. 12 5s are 60 minus 60 write down. But where minus 4 is possible? 10 6 are write down. 10 6 are 60. Take minus as a big number. Why middle minus is there means take the big number to minus. Now minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. The sum is minus 4. The product is minus 60. So here take 5x square minus 10x minus plus 6x minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Now take 5x is common in the both the terms. 5x off. Here see the remaining is x. Minus 5 2 is 12. So write down here 2. Plus in these two terms take 6 as common. Okay. 6 common means the remaining is x minus 2. The first factor is x minus 2. The second factor is 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Final x equal to 2 we got. Final x equal to minus 6 by 5. Two cases are possible. Okay. Now I am explaining exercise 8.1 second question. See, the second question is the applicable of BPT theorem. ఇక్కడ అన్ని కూడా మనకు BPT theorem, converse BPT theorem applications ఏ ఉంటాయి. In the given figure, this is a given figure. Observe in the careful in the textbook. LM is parallel to CB. Where is LM? This is LM is parallel to CB or BC. LM is parallel to CB. ఇట్లా parallel ఇచ్చాడంటే definitely మీరు ఏం చేయాలమ్మా? Boys and girls, you can observe the triangle. What is the main triangle? This is a main triangle. Okay. These are parallel. Use the vertex. Vertex use చేసుకొని simplify చేయాలి. AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. ఎందుకు parallel means by using BPT theorem definitely proportional. And similarly LN is parallel to CD. LN, where is LN? LN is parallel to CD. Now use second triangle here. Okay. Then prove that AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. Okay. First figure observe. In the figure what is given? Same. Once again I am explaining. LM is parallel to BC means in a triangle ABC. This is a triangle ABC. Okay. ABC. Now these two are parallel means definitely use the condition proportionality theorem. Condition is AM by MB is equal to AL by LC. Here write down AM by MB equal to AL by LC. Equation number 1. Next from the triangle ADC observe ADC triangle. These two are parallel already given. These two are parallel. Now use again the condition. AN by ND is equal to AL by LC or AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. Write down here. Now observe equation 1 and equation 2. Here this is equal to AL by LC. Here AL by LC equal to N by ND means these two are the same condition equating these two. The finally from equation 1 and 2 AM by MB is equal to AN by ND. ఎందుకంటే ఇవి ఈక్వల్ గా ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇది ఈక్వల్. See the last question. The given figure D is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Show that the EF is parallel to QR. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు కాంబినేషన్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. అంటే హియర్ వీ కెన్ యూటిలైజ్ ద బేసిక్ ప్రొపోర్షనాలిటీ థియరం అండ్ కాన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ద బేసిక్ ప్రొపోర్షనాలిటీ థియరం. ఫస్ట్ వేర్ DE parallel to OQ is possible. You can observe the diagram carefully. See DE, where is DE is there? See this is DE. DE is parallel to OQ. ఈ ప్యారల్గా ఉన్నాయి కదమ్మా, ఇక్కడ ఫామ్ అయ్యే ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏంటో చూసుకోండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్. అంటే P is the vertex. POQ is the first triangle. And from the triangle POQ given DE is parallel to OQ by basic proportionality theorem or BPT theorem at the vertex. This is the vertex. You can write like that. PE, the ratios, and the ratios are proportional. The sides are proportional. Okay. The PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. PD by DO. This is equation number 1. And one more condition. DF parallel to DR. Where it is possible? Observe. DF parallel to OR. Sorry, OR. Now these two are parallel. Now use the triangle. This is a triangle. The triangle is POR. Now from the triangle POR given DF is parallel to OR, then the condition, this is the vertex, PD by DO, అంటే ఇదే కదా, ఇది సైడ్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. proportional ratio. PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. Using equation 1 and 2, see this is equal to PD by DO. This is also equal to PD by DO. Therefore, these two are equal. From equation 1 and 2, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. See, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now, once again observe under that the ratios, the sides are in the proportional ratio. Compulsory ఇక్కడ ఏవో ఈక్వల్గా వస్తాయి. ఏవి ఈక్వల్గా వస్తాయి అంటే ఈక్వల్ ఆర్ ప్యారల్. ఫ్రమ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ PQR which are parallel, observe EF is parallel to QR. Where it is possible? See the diagram. PE divided by EQ. Where is PE? PE divided by EQ is equal to PF by FR. PF by FR, and means these two sides are proportional. That means one is the parallel side compulsory. Which is parallel? EF. Now observe, this is a EF. It is parallel to QR from the triangle PQR. Observe. See, from the triangle PQR, by this condition, by converse of basic proportionality theorem, if two sides are proportional, then definitely EF is parallel to QR by the diagram. Therefore, our proof is completed. First, E condition parallel తీసుకున్నాము. We wrote the condition proportionality ratio, and second parallel condition from the second triangle, again wrote the proportional condition. By these two are comparing, the one condition is equal means definitely use converse BPT theorem, and one more two lines are parallel in the triangle. Okay, hence prove the condition. Simple చాలా easiest one. Homework, try these questions. First bit ఒక 2-3 ఉన్నాయి చేయాలి. Second, third questions. Example 2 problem, do this 2 problem, and exercise 8.1 question number 3, question number 7 ఇవి మట్టికే చేయండి, వేరేవి కూడా చేయొద్దు. ఓకేనా? ఇంకా ఏమన్నా రిమైనింగ్ 1-2 questions దీనిలో నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా. You can complete by within 1 or 2 or 3 days. Okay, I will check within 2 or 3 days.